Hello guys and welcome back to Jhex Graphics. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a professional birthday flyer. So without wasting much time, let's get straight to the point. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the size I'm using currently. So the width is 724 and the height is 1024. Okay, and then I am using a black background as my default background. Okay, the next thing to do here is to import the elements I'm going to be using. Alright, so I'm gonna make use of this background. I will pick this ratio 3 by 4 and then I'll increase this. Okay, then the next thing I'm gonna do here is to import an element, which is this. I'm gonna import this. Now we place this somewhere here. Okay, let me increase it to fit this box just this way. Then I'll log this. Okay, the next thing is to type the date of the birthday. So I'm going to use 28. Okay, I'll increase this. Now we change the fonts. The font I'll be using is Bebas New. Okay, let me make this bold. I think this is great. And then I'll just need to take this to the back of the element, the vector element, or the vector artwork. Then the next thing I'm going to do here is to import the image. I'll be the image of the celebrant, which is this. I'm gonna zoom this and I'll bring it over here. Okay, I think this is great. And then I'll head back to my test layer and I'll go to change the color, pick on color, and I'll pick this color. So I'll have to increase this a bit. Okay, let me make it this light. So I think this color is not just matching with everything, so I'm not going to go with this color for the test. Okay, although let me just leave it for now, but we'll change it later. I'll come over to this place and I'm going to delete this and then come over to this place from gallery and I will choose this. So I want to make this background to be the background of everything, not just as a layer. And then I'll zoom this to clear out the dark parts, and I think this is good. Come over to this place, the features. I'll click on noise and I'll enable this noise. Okay, then from here I'll come back to my tests and then change this color. So I'm gonna use this color because I think this color matches with everything. And then if you want the color code, this is the color code I used. You can just find a color that matches with the picture you're using. Okay, then after I've done this, let me adjust this a bit. Okay. Let me position this very well. Alright. I'll click on shapes. Sorry. Click on stickers. And then I'll pick this. I'll bring it over here. So I'll head to change the color. So I want this color to be orange. Okay, let me duplicate this so it can give me the thickness I want. Okay, and then again. Alright, so I'll match this 3 blow effects together, and then I'll move it to the back of this. Then I'll position it very well. So it should be at the back of these two. Okay, position it very well. Alright, let me reduce it small. Okay, I think this is great. Then I'll come over to these features and then brightness. I'll reduce this a bit. Okay. Now the next thing I'm gonna do here is to duplicate this picture. Then I'll hide this one. So this one, come over to shadow. And we'll enable this, so I'll make this 25%. And I'll take it, bring it out a bit. Just this way. Okay. Then next, I'll enable this. I'll bring it here. Okay. I think our design is turning out great. Then the next thing I'm gonna do here is to import the second element I'll be using, which is this. Okay. Alright. So I'll log this and then pick another blur effect and bring it over here. Sorry. Bring it over here. So add the color. Okay, let me check this one. I think this should be great. Going to duplicate this. Duplicate again and bring it over here. Okay. So I'll bring this element to the front. And then the next thing here is to type our happy birthday text. I'll head over to fonts and I will choose the same font I used earlier, which is Eber's New. Okay, and then happy birthday. So I'll duplicate this and then I'll write birthday. So guys, if you are just joining us for the first time, you're new to the channel, kindly support the channel by liking this video, sharing it, and also subscribing to the channel. Your subscription and your likes and your support helps this channel grow, and it helps me post more tutorials on this channel. So I'm gonna bring this over here and make sure both of them are equal. They are aligned, and I'll come over to color, and I'll make it transparent. I'll go over to stroke, and I'll choose white as my color. I'm gonna reduce this to I think 2 should be great. Okay, then next is my celebrant's name. Over here with a stylish font. Okay. So that's it guys. You can decide to add other things like the month, the year, and some other wishes that you feel like adding. So thank you guys for watching. To save the file, just click on this and then you save as ultra. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it to your friends, and see you all in my next tutorial.